All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm a struggling day trader. Let's get to it. We live, baby. Wednesday, April 9th. It's been another struggle month so far. I'm seeing good trades every day, almost every day, but I'm still taking a lot of bad trades with it. So, just trying to be more patient and more picky. And once I find that one that's working, I just gotta really just stick to that. What's up, Wave Rider? Wave Rider. What's the wave for the day, man? Let me know. Yeah, market's wild. Man, I just watched FMTO like literally die. I was just sitting here watching it, and then it was just like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Just like, oh my God. Like, bruh. Yeah, it is for sure. I don't know, man, but Trey said they did an offering. Yeah. I mean, talk about dumping it though. It's still trading so much volume too. The poor sap that refused to sell up here and was just like it's gonna come back. Oh man. I'm sure they never thought it would have dropped down to 25 cents. Mashallah, that's what's up, Noor. Hey, what's up, Three Pony? Buy it now with low risk. Yeah, just risk down to zero, huh? No big deal. Risk down to 1 cent. That's funny. Yeah, I'm straight. Hey, signature. What's going on, bro? Yeah, for sure, man. Patience is everything, man. Patience is everything. Yeah, for sure. I mean, but like large amounts of volume pouring in and the price is just continuing to drop. Yeah, I know, signature. I'm ready. I'm ready. Just gotta be patient. Yep, I'm ready, signature. Maybe that'll bring the market back, or the market will be ready to come back by that time that happens. Yeah, I heard Dallas had earnings today. I mean, not Dallas, Delta. Okay. All right, that's the bell. So Vero, I definitely can take FMTO off watch. That was just like entertainment purposes at this point. Yeah, Tesla dropped right back below this trend line. Dang, look at Vero. Man, I wanted to take it off this $10 level too. I thought that was a good look. But you know, I'm not playing the open like that. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice bounce from one level to the next in one candle. Yo, Santa, what's going on, man? Yeah, it has. What you been up to? You bought it at 20 cent? Wow, bro. Dang, Vero is going. $10 was the level. I feel you. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Oh yeah, man. That's life, man. Life be lifing. uh I definitely deal with my share, man. Hope it's manageable for you, man. Yeah, the market is wild. Straight wild.
An MD. PLTR.
It ain't even been 5 minutes yet.
NIO. HOOD. RGTI. MRA. VLN.
Basically everything looks good. Yeah, my whole
SMCI.
my whole basket's green.
LCID. BABL. SOFI. INTC.
All right. Calm down.
APL. NVDL.
Oh man, yeah, Tesla's been dying. For sure. Dang, FMTO down to 16 now. Like, what is this volume doing? It halted down. Oh man, bro. It's going to zero. File died at the open. Vero still looks viable, but definitely too soon for me to want to get involved. Looks like these small caps are kind of coming alive here. Yeah, what's up, OG? Adding more, but only risking like $3. Okay, yeah. That's what's up. Market gonna be like, psych. Let the trade war begin. I know, man. Oh my gosh. I low key kind of feel like Baba might do something today. But there's no kind of like real setup or anything. 101.93s to 200. It's kind of up there, but yeah, that ain't it. That ain't it. ICCT for real. Man, I do kind of want to take this, but I'll wait for something a little more sure. CCT. Back in the game, huh? Halted over pre-market high. Hmm. It's open. Hmm. Broker disconnect. Das Wildin over there. Yeah, I saw fire over there. Look at the spy rolling. Spy is rolling. And so is Baba. I'm about to chill out on Baba. SPX, I'm telling you, Sig, it's looking good in the moment. It's looking good in the moment. I should just take my whole R off of this. Trust none of this stuff. Spy has been wild though. I'd say that's a pretty solid pullback though, you know, like That's enough. Good morning. What's up, Brian? Dang, boy. ICCT. Pulling back to the EMA. Took a dive. Yeah, hold that high. Oh, yeah, that's what's up. Glad to hear that, Brian. I was watching, what was I watching? Was I watching Vero or FMTO pre-market? I'm glad I didn't do that. What's FMTO doing now? 11 cent. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's crazy. Literally was at it went from like $5. This candle right here, the high is 479 to 148 and then 170 to 79 and it's just like just dead. Man, I started to take it out up here too. I don't trust none of this stuff. That looks kind of interesting on Vero over there. That's gone now. It's kind of interesting right here, eh? Yeah, that would have been sweet because this show ran off. VRBO. Like that price. Oh. You got it at 11.7. Oh man, Leon. Bruh. Well done. That was pretty clean right here.
Order filled.
Dang, the Baba trade show didn't work. That sucks. It was extended on the 5 though. Very common mistake. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. Messing around on Baba. Hmm. 2/3 left. Hmm. EXF. No. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Entry was awesome. Nice retest though on the EMA there. FOMO. FMTO. Uh-oh, some big volume coming in. Look at Leon. How many shares you buy, Leon? Dang. Yeah, it looks terrible. But I get it. Just one. Yeah, that's all you need. YOLO. Make a cool story for the grandkids.
Order filled.
Probably a little too tight on the
Order
wrist though.
filled.
Yeah, that was Dang, ICCT down to $3.
Order filled.
Hmm. Dang, man.
Order filled.
Yeah. See Vero Trey coming down to 8. Dang. That's what's up, Brian. Yeah. That's funny because I was thinking 180's on file too. Mm. There goes file. Oh my God. Dang. Quadunk. Bruh, it's treacherous out here, man. Small cap's looking scary today, man. I really want Vero right here. I wouldn't say the volume is screaming get in though. I think this volume is saying possible bottom, but I ain't seen any buyers yet. Slizapped. Yeah, he's definitely hurting right now buying the high of daybreak. Oh man. That could have been me too. Oh bad. Man, look at the RR right here. Over back over 10. Just don't see it yet. Where y'all at? It'll come in all at once. Yeah. There's the volume I was looking for. A little bit of volume. Risk all the way down to there. How low can FMTO go?
Order filled.
Chinese level dilution. 6 cents. Oh my god. Rule break. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, I did say I was gonna play my levels when when they touch extended on the 5. So in that case, that would be this. But someone must have sold their shit. Into the level. What you mean? Oh yeah, because it's below it. I got you. Well, you know they're not like spot on. It's an area. But yeah, it looks pretty bad. FOMO and impatience, not willing to let it come back up above the EMA and set up like it's supposed to. Still the same old stuff. By that TSLQ. Yeah, that does look like it's probably at the end of that trend for sure. Nice high volume hammer candle right there on the 5. That looks pretty sweet. I ain't gonna hold you. It looks pretty sweet. Yeah, the market is looking real flushish right now. 10-11. Here comes File. Back from the dead. This little bitty baby tiny volume spike got me involved. I could at least waited for a 5-minute candle to make a new high. Man, this is looking really saucy over here. I'm watching it over here. Inshallah. Come on, Vero. Bio creeping back over the EMA. Yep. I see. That's why I started to buy that joint right here, man. But I was trying to follow my rules. It looked too good on the 5 too. I should have just bought it. Halted up. Ain't that something? So I just be wanting to trade my ideas. And I don't know, Noor, market just looking kind of strong, man. This is good volume for sure, but could definitely throw a lower high right here though, and definitely flush. This would be the entry right here for sure. Yeah, I see it, bro. Uh, it was right there, clear as day, Newell. Clear as day. Good call, bro. Instead, I'm over here getting slapped up in Vero. Man, good call, bro. MashaAllah. Well, at least that looked like the clear entry. We'll see where it goes.
Order filled.
Thirty seconds. I'm saying, bro. Ah, come on, man. Dang, Fio went off. Spiked up to pre-market high.
Order filled.
That's my fault. Just the same stuff, man. Hmm.
Order filled.
Hmm. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I agree with that, Trey. Bruh, it's getting obliterated today. Yeah. And got the 5 minute break over here. I was feeling good about it. I guess my stop should have been under the 5 minute candle.
Order filled.
File halted back down. So it should go even higher next time. And now it's going back up. That was my fault. Just wrist too tight. Yeah, no doubt. I can't believe I let this one get me. I wish I would have. That's supposed to be what it's to be like. Cause if it's inside, like, how do you go long or short? Definitely should not have been going long. Here I am still waiting for Nvidia. uh, yeah, I can see it now. I mean, it's just hard to say because it's above the 5 minute range. It's above. It's just pulling back to the EMA right now. Yeah, yeah, that's true too. Hella red. Yeah, getting out of these. Yeah, it's one. Get swatted. Oh man, get it in there.
Order
Oh
filled.
my god, I'm done, bro. What was this on file? That thing would look like trash too. Uh, back to yeah. I don't know. It's like just desperate at this point. Yeah, me either, Leon. I sure ain't trading it. This one really sucks. Yeah, another one, knives. Yeah. I just be making it tough though. Like, thanks, OG. Yeah, it's just says 1215. I used to be in this trading group, 1215 day trading or 1215. Hmm. It was the arch enemy. I do feel like the runners are definitely fewer, but also I think I've seen one or two things almost every day. Like I think I've had like a 3R winner almost every day. I just have a bunch of losses mixed in with it. Um, it just requires when the market is like this, it requires a level of patience that I don't have yet, and so that's why I fail so miserably when the market is choppy and bearish like this because I just can't sit there and do nothing when it's time to do nothing. Well, I also think that a lot of most of my losses are attributed to me not waiting for confirmation, which is from a lack of patience and FOMO. Like, mm, okay, so this Baba entry, I mean, it's okay, but it's early. It's extended from the five. Can kind of be mad at myself for it. Um, it would have been nice to have taken something out, but it just didn't get quite far enough into the money where I want to start taking profit. But I'll do that, Knives. I'll definitely do that. I'll definitely do that. That's actually great idea. What's up, Jack? Pharaoh's making a comeback. I just don't have much risk. And would probably require breaking this high at the minimum, which would be 1030, which would get it back above the EMA. Well, I mean, I can look at today and see that um yeah, I'm really not mad at this one. But this one, I should have waited for a higher high, higher low above the EMA. This is like jumping the gun because I mean it's effectively downtrending until it makes a higher high, and didn't wait for that. Same thing here. You know, it's downtrending until we get the higher high, higher low. Um, and if I say, okay, I'm taking this based on the 5 minute break, then I gotta put my stop under the 5 minute low. I can't take the 5 minute break and then put my stop under a 1 minute candle. So, yeah, I should have waited for this to make a high, so we get the first higher high after this series of lower highs, and then higher low here, and then maybe I can enter here, and then that would be valid. So I really think most of these are just me not being willing to wait. Same here. We got this high, and then we got a lower high, lower low. We're effectively downtrending. Like, why am I buying this? You know. Same with Vero. It's supposed to be like literally the 5 has to close above the EMA, and both of these executions are way down below. And I mean, if I said I was trying to play this level, but I'm at the bottom side, like it's literally resistance at this point, like Trey pointed out. So I mean, I what's most clear to me is just my execution, and just having a hard time being patient enough to because like it just means that there's a lot of days where there's maybe only one trade to take or no trades to take, and I just don't have days like that. Desperation, Trey. What you sitting at right now, Trey, on the day? Zero trades. Hit the market with the hezzy, huh? It's like uh hit him with the hezzy. I wish I had zero trades today. Nah, yeah. I wish I did that. Or I wish I had one or two bad trades that I didn't feel terrible about. Like I just waited for the higher high and could have entered here, stopped there. Maybe I got a share offer two up here. Maybe I waited and then it came down here, and maybe I add right here, move my stop up a little bit. 5 is looking really good now on Nvidia. Market looks good. Shoot, Nvidia looks wonderful. That's why I just really don't want to trade against the market. I'm so tempted to play the SQs and to play inverses and stuff, but yo, man, risk would have to be like way down here. But we just wait for the break and the retest. I think Vero could be the one. Fire over here looking alive again. Got $1.50. The one for what? The one to bring it all back. Bum, 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 bum. What's this high? 14. We got the break of the 5. Shoot. This look like a 3-bar play. Shout out Jared.
Order filled.
Shout out Jared.
Order filled.
It's funny, it lagged so much. I didn't even only lost like 50 cent on that. The slappage. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta figure out some kind of exercise. I think I need to maybe come in here and not trade and just sit. One trade a day. Hmm. You think so? I have, Brian. I started a channel in my in the Discord for that, but just never really got all the way into it. But I think swing trading is an amazing idea, especially when the market's good. Like I see daily setups all the time that look great to trade intraday, but look even. Um, and I'll see those setups and then end up trading the stock every day for like the next 2 weeks, and then it's like, man, that's been a nice run. I think I might have to try that though, Trey. Cause I can't wait. I just can't wait for the stinking setup to set up. You think so too, Leon? Is that 2 votes for one trade a day? Yeah, you definitely be on that, Leon. That would be a great exercise in acceptance, because if I had one trade and then I lost on it. We got 3 for one trade a day. Hmm. Hmm. All right. Yeah, I mean, to me, the only trades to be in are shorts and inverses, and I shouldn't even be doing any longs right now because the market is just it's clearly bearish, clearly bearish. I haven't even pulled up AEHL once yet. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, TSLQ going now, Noor. Finally hit. That entry where it broke the trend line, it never made a new low after that. You could have just kept your stop down here, and you'd have been good to go. I'm too antsy for that. I would have added right here, moved my stop. Honestly, I could really just get rid of the 1 minute chart altogether and just trade the five. Small caps, mid caps, all of it. They all work great on the five. Yeah. Do what, Jack? Just trade the five? Yeah. 5 minute only, one trade per day. Oh, y'all trying to put the cuffs back on you, boy. I was just free. Look what I did with my free zone. All right, man. Lock me back up, bro. uh, oh, man. What's up, home runner? Yeah, burning it down. Oh, yeah. Where'd you get in at, home runner? 13 to 1250s. Okay. Dang, bruh. You ate on that. Yo, nice work, bro. Man, I've been doing so bad. I forgot I got GIFs over here, man. Oh, man. All right. Long what Vero? Yeah, bro. Yeah. Oh man, there's no thought process. I don't even want to, bro. But um, is this where my first entries were? Yeah. Uh, bruh. I'm taking these yellow lines off the chart, bro. I don't even know what to tell you, home runner. Um, I guess I was hoping it was gonna hold this level where it was sitting at the EMA and my little yellow line that I had based on some level, probably this in pre-market. And yeah, no pattern or anything, just gosh, that's terrible. Yeah, this was just like I don't know, man. What time was it? 9:49. Was it that bad already by 9:49? And then down here, I mean, yeah, I saw it kind of interacting with this other yellow line that I have drawn based on some level. And looking at the volume, like this does look like reversal volume. You get the big push down and then you get the end of it with another big push of volume. And then I mean this little tiny volume pop right here was enough for me to be like, all right, it's going back up. And yep, got in and held my stop. So then I added when it got closer. And I'm not even supposed to be taking any trades below the EMA at all. So this was me. I guess I created an exception that I could take extensions from the EMA down to my support levels that I have drawn. But I mean, it was really on the bottom side. But I mean, it's an area. But um, yeah, definitely not my setup today. Um, yeah, there's nothing here on the. Oh, this is the 15. Yeah, there's nowhere here that would say that I'm allowed to take a trade based on my strategy. FIO, yeah, same deal. Like, I don't know, it's downtrending. I mean, it's above the EMA on the 5, but I mean, we just got this huge red rejection candle. Second biggest volume candle of the day, huge top wick, bigger than the body. Yeah, just I don't know, man. Just like just like emotional trading, I guess. Just like not thinking about the things that I know and that I've learned, from my experiences. Cause like looking back at these are just like embarrassing. Like if I watched my channel today for the first time, I would be like, this dude is an idiot. Like he doesn't know what he's doing at all. I mean, and I feel that way right now. Like I feel like, bruh. I do find some, solace in knowing that I know I'm poorly executing my game plan. Like I'm not executing it at all. And it's because I just don't have the patience to sit and wait for it. And it's really hard in these markets where there's so few far between. Like I might need to sit on my hands for days before an actual good setup shows up. I appreciate it, Noor. But yeah, I mean, so I'm down to try this one trade per day on the 5 minute only. Yeah, I don't know. Nah, ain't no way I'm green on the month. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't even loaded my trades from this week because they've just been so bad. ICCT sure is rolling. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting anywhere fast trading a bunch of trades a day. I mean, maybe I'm getting experience, I guess, but that's enough of that. Yeah. All right. Well, let me save all my charts in the 5 minute time frame so I don't get lost in the sauce tomorrow. Yeah, last time I checked, I didn't really see a clear indicator on that. It was like it's my chart my journal data is just so messed up because I'm so inconsistent with my executions. So it's just like a bunch of meaningless data. Huh. 5 to 10, 10 to 20, and 50 to 100. Really bad 20 to 50 and 100 to 200. um yeah. Coin, AMD, Court, Baba, Nvidia, MU, ZOM, TSM. A lot of Baba. Yeah, Baba's like my arch nemesis. But like, let's look this day on Baba, March 11th, 3 trades on Baba. Like, I bet if we click it, let's go to the trade. No, that's not it. What was that? March 11th. Hmm. Guess that's not a bad daily. An account with this journal. Well, it makes it so you can see clearly. You can see clearly what's happening with your trades. It just collects so much data, and you can go through and you can tag your trades. So if your trades were, I mean, I don't know what you would constitute as over trading, but maybe you notice from the data that when you trade past this time, your results get worse, or you notice that you do better on stocks over $50 than under $50, or um I mean, there's just so many metrics, so much data that you can collect, and so many angles that you can look at your trading from. Yeah, yeah, I feel that way too, man. I'd love to sit here and just trade all day if I was making money. Uh, what am I all time on Baba, I wonder? Hey, I'm profitable on Baba. 2.96 to 1 profit ratio. Accuracy is just horrible though. While driving, dang, bro. Yeah. That's why I can't swing trade, bro. Like when I'm swing trading, man, I'm dang near watching my position 24/7. I wake up in wake up at like 4:30 in the morning to go use the bathroom. I'm taking my phone so I can check my positions. It's too much. And even now, man, like I really want this day trading thing to be um something that you can do for a couple hours in the day, and then, you go on about your life. But, some days I'm here trading till like, way past, my 10 o'clock cutoff. It's just ultimately, it's just all discipline, man. Discipline and patience. Those life qualities that separate the best of us from the rest of us. Yeah, I'm definitely considering investing, but I just all my investments are into myself right now, into day trading, I guess. I've been saying that for a while though. I wasn't expecting to take this long. It may be time to go ahead and start investing despite this. Nah, but I had a really good routine going for a while after my last reading of was it The Richest Man in Babylon? I started paying myself every time I got money and putting it in my Webull account. And that was really cool. That was really cool. You in what? AEHL? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I see. I'm reading it. Yeah, that's cold. Dang, Leon, let's go. Yeah, no, last time this happened in COVID, I was really disappointed that I didn't take advantage of anything. I didn't buy anything, man. All those stocks that, I was day trading, like huge companies that were super cheap. And just like not even thinking about it. Yeah, you did that, Leon. You definitely did that. Thanks, Noor. Yeah, man, for sure he does. Why 5-5, Leon? Uh, so half and whole dollar type deal. Dang. One trade a day. How long we gonna do that for? As long as it takes. after commissions. Okay. Um, say probably not going long any market stocks until we get over this area for sure. So probably be doing small caps for a while. Small caps are so scary though. Mm. All right, y'all. I hope this one trade a day thing works. Helps. I definitely got an issue that definitely needs to be addressed. Well, you're doing great, Leon. So I'll give it a shot. Dang, one trade. Oh my god. All right, I'm down though. Appreciate all the input, guys. Um, man. Mm, yeah. Yeah, I gotta figure it out. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, be safe out here in the market, man. Yeah, I ain't even close to that, bro. Not even close. Yeah, I'm definitely I this happens every time though. Every time the market does something crazy, I just get destroyed. Like I have to be able to adapt because the market's been pretty wild for quite some time now. Yeah. All right, y'all. Hit the like button for me if you don't mind. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.